Send Williams out into the slot as they go 5 wide here. And Mahomes fires and then is caught up at the 40-yard line by Travis Kelce.
Been doing that all year. I'm going to quit saying it's amazing. I've been seeing him do it all year.
Mahomes, that shoulder shake, buys time, fires on the run. West for the touchdown. Charkandrick West got free. Mahomes with that little shake of the shoulders, buying time, steps up, hits West.
All right, here we go. There's West in the backfield, but don't take your eyes off Mahomes. Watch the arm angle, almost underhand here. Back across his body. I don't know what sort of flexibility drills he does or was born with or whatever the case. That's unbelievable.